If you're going to walk to it, just be careful when you're next to the... Hello and welcome to S&J TV1 and That's Kind of Interesting. Today I'm going to be visiting a chalk dragon near the village of West Clandon in the English county of Surrey. The dragon in question isn't on a hillside in the quaint English countryside. No, this one's on a chalk embankment next to the busy A25 Epsom Road. I'll be taking a closer look at it shortly, but first I'm going to be seeing the dragon in the way most people get to see it, and that's by driving by it at 50 miles an hour. Well, there it is. I mean, first impressions, that's difficult to establish that's a dragon straight off. Slowing the footage down by half, we get to see a little bit more of the shape. And slowing the footage down by half again, we get to see, well, I'll let you ponder on that for a second. What we do need to do is get out of the car and take a closer look at it. And here's the dragon. It's 19 metres long, 8 metres high, and made of crushed chalk. It's facing to the left and has all the attributions a good dragon should have. A long windy tail with a pointy bit at the end, a pair of wings for flying around and tormenting locals, sharp claws for slashing victims, and most importantly, the ability to breathe fire. Work began on cutting the dragon into the side of a waste chalk embankment on the 24th of May 1977. With the help of some 20 volunteers, the dragon began to take shape, and on the evening of the 3rd of June 1977, Draco Clandonis was officially unveiled. By the early 90s, the dragon had fallen into disrepair, and in May 1991, a 3-week restoration started, with some of the hard work being carried out by inmates from the local Send prison. In 2018, the dragon had to be saved again, this time by the Clandon Dragon Restoration Group, and it was officially unveiled on a chilly February day in 2019 by the Mayor of Guildford. It seems that if it wasn't for the hard work and determination of volunteers to keep the dragon looking spick and span by regularly weeding and re-chalking it, it would be lost forever. They have a Facebook page for the most up-to-date dragon information. Why not go and check it out? I guess the main question that really needs to be answered is, why choose a dragon design? We know it's for the Queen's Jubilee, but still, a dragon. There is, of course, some logic behind the decision. The story of a dragon has been part of West Clandon folklore for centuries, with the first printed record being in the Gentleman's Magazine in July 1796. I have tracked down a copy of the magazine, and this is what was written. A serpent once infested a back lane in the parish of West Clandon for a long time. The inhabitants were much disturbed and afraid to pass that way. A soldier who'd been condemned for desertion promised, if his life was spared, he would destroy the serpent. Accordingly, he took his dog with him, a fierce battle ensued, the dog fastened him, and the soldier killed it with his bayonet, in a field belonging to the glebe called Deadacre. The magazine also printed a drawing of a wood carving that depicts the fight between the dragon. The wood carving is kept in the local St. Peter and St. Paul Church, and I'm here at that church to see the carving for myself. The carving can be found above one of the doorways inside the church, and on it we can clearly see the fight between the dog and the dragon in full swing. However, the soldier is nowhere to be seen. This is a replica of the carving, as the original was sadly stolen. The fact that only the dog and dragon are in the carving may be the reason why the soldier is also missing from the West Clandon village sign. The Clandon Dragon is open all year round and is free to visit. If you're going to walk to it, just be careful next to the busy road. There are links to a map and other information in the description below. And that's this video on the West Clandon Dragon done and dusted. If you have any views about today's video, please leave a message in the comments section. And if you like these sorts of videos, please subscribe to S&J TV1 and ring that bell so you'll be notified when we release future videos. In the meantime, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.